Welcome back to Chain of Lakes Life. Today we're going to show you how to get through the locks if you want to get onto the lower river from the upper chain. I get asked a lot, how do we get through the locks? Is it stressful? Is it cost money? First of all, it's free. Locks are open from 8 a.m. until midnight, but please double check their website. It's easy to find. Pull up, wait for the doors to open, the light turns green. This is easier than pulling into a dock, into a pier space. You got this. As we come up towards the locks, we'll see them and we'll pull off to the right. You'll see the wooden poles. You'll park your boat and you'll wait. You'll hold on to the line. Don't tie off. Just hold on to the lines. You'll see them on the right side. You'll wait for the lock master to open the doors and turn on the green light. There's nobody behind me. There's nobody in front of me. The doors are open. Do not proceed into the locks until you're instructed by the lock tender, by the lock master. You're going in and he decides to shut the door. He needs to know what you're doing. So you do not go in until you're told to do so. At that point, you will pull in. Now, it may be a crowded day. There'll be people on the right side and the left side. The boats will be pretty close, so plan accordingly. Don't stress. Don't ever panic. Just modulate your throttle easy and hold the ropes that are hanging down. So we're the first ones into the lock at this cycle. And he asked us to just listen to the lock master's instructions. He told us to pull all the way up to the red beam and hold on to the rope. You merely hold the rope. You don't tie off. If you tie off and it drops, you're going to be hanging there. So just hold the rope. My one caution is you'll see when we get down, the ropes are hanging in the water, so they're going to be a little bit wet and a little bit icky. So try to hang on a little bit above the yuck line, so shall we call it. One important thing, you see the red markers there. Don't pull in front of those or your boat's going to get crushed when they open the doors. Stay behind the red markers. And we'll sit here and we'll wait. As we can see boats pulling behind us. There'll be boats on either side on a busy day. We wait for wait for the doors to open up after the water goes down, of course. But do not get out of your boat. Do not go up on the seawall. Do not do any fishing. You drop something overboard. Don't get out of your boat for any reason whatsoever. Pull in, wait for the lock to go down. The doors will open, the lock master will let you know, signal you it's time to go out, and just pull out. It's going to be very simple. No problem. Don't worry about it. You can do it. So that's it. Using the locks is very easy. Taking a ride down the lower river is fun. Just stay between the buoy markers down in the lower river. You'll be fine. It's a great trip. I think you'll have a nice time. Don't be intimidated. Just follow the instructions and you'll be okay. I'm Jim Starwalt with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, the Star Home Team. Give us a call. We'll take care of you. Have fun on the chain.